Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to part 7 of One Stormy Night. And now, I'm about to say again, Gavin and May are on the run from the wolves, and they're in this place, in this forest, doing outdoors woods. Continue.
Did you just hear voices?
I thought so. Sounded like they were over there. No, the bushes are masking the scent. Start searching the area around here.
They can do it. Yeah, they can do that. The bushes can do that. Okay.
What's up?
Beach, look!
Gaboo?
There's some pretty little flowers blooming right
How is he
here.
talking like that? Oh!
Well, make sure you don't step on them.
I'll be careful.
How is he not
You think
feeling
Barry's
that?
gonna find Gaboo and that little goat first?
Yeah, Barry's the best tracker out of us all in the pack. He'll find them. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go look over here now.
He looks like one of the ones that doesn't talk a lot, and then in this part, he talks more. Like, Big Macintosh from My Little Pony. And yes, I made a My Little Pony reference.
Zach, it's good. It's Gaboo. It's good. Barry! We found Gaboo!
What kind of yell was that?
Don't let him escape!
Whoa. What to do now?
Hey, where did they go? Was it this way?
No, definitely this way.
May, jump for it!
Wow.
Gaboo!
No, they're getting away!
What?
I don't think we're gonna be able to make it over, Barry.
Hurrah! I can see that.
Wow. That was a little
Sorry about
anticlimactic.
what I said before.
It's all right. I understand, May.
So what are you gonna eat? Man can eat anything he wants. All you had to do is just go down. And just like eat off the ground. That's all he has to do. You know, Gabble, he has to find something. You look right next to him like, oh no, I can't do it. I gotta go somewhere else. Ooh, that piano. Ooh.
We've climbed quite a way, haven't
Hey!
Yeah, and I'm tired enough to know it.
Look over there, May. You can see Pleasant Mountain from up here.
You sure can. I can also see Chomping Gorges.
They look
Wow.
so small from all the way up here.
We used to live in those little places, didn't we?
Yeah. And every day we would chase and be chased, hide away and seek after. It was such a bother.
You are funny. Really. I never thought I'd hear a wolf say something like that.
You're not the only one.
That's specious.
Gaboo, there's something I need to tell you.
What's that?
I love you.
I'm really glad I met you on that stormy night.
Oh,
Really? Well, I feel the same.
did he just blush?
Hey, May, do you really believe there's another forest?
There is. There has to be.
That's a fairy tale.
I bet you it's perfect. It's gonna be
Why is it
great.
dark right there? And then it's like here.
Right there, Gaboo.
Would you two fuck already? I can't believe I just said that. What was the point of that? Having a strategy meeting and they just decided to cut that out? Lovely. Then the snow begins. That's where I'm so sick and tired of snow. And by the time I'm making this video, it's May, not the character. It's after Memorial Day, and it's actually snowed in April. And now I'm having to see snow again in this anime. What the fuck? So tired of it. What the fuck you walking like that for? What the fuck?
I'm sure it'll clear up by morning, May.
Yeah. We'll have perfect weather tomorrow.
Perfect for... Never mind. Does he sound like a girl? I'm sorry, what? Oh, man.
May, are you alright?
I'm sorry, Gavin. I can't walk any further.
Being a place for an igloo is convenient. You know, you could have just dragged them over there. Look at that. He's being buried in snow. You have to drag him like that. Whenever you actually accidentally pull his arms off. He was frozen solid. But like, alright man, I got you. Here's your arms back. I'm just gonna go over here.
May. Oh, May, come on. Stay with me. Please don't die. We'll make it together. I promise you.
Seems like to take a lap dance. Or whatever's going on there.
May.
Thank you, Gavin. Again.
Again.
You're alive! Oh, thank heavens you're alive! May!
Even he's looking like, nigga, get the fuck off me. Like, dude, no, man, you know he likes that shit. Look, they have another perfect hideout to bone. What the fuck? I know I keep saying that, but they keep signaling that they should be together.
Doesn't sound like it's letting up.
I think you're right.
How is he holding his arms like
May.
that? What's he looking like that for?
Gabu, did I suddenly look delicious to you?
What? No, you didn't look delicious at all.
It's all right, Gabu. I know that you haven't been able to find anything to eat out there in the snow, and you've been without food for so many days now.
How's he
And
still
as for
alive?
myself, I'll never survive in this weather. Listen, Gabu, you'll have to live for the both of us.
What? May,
Sacrifice.
what are you talking about?
What do you think he's talking about?
You're a true friend, and I consider myself very lucky to have made a friend who'd risk his life for me, and for whom I would do the same.
If that really is how you think of me, May, then I would say I'm the one who was really lucky.
So then, you won't argue with me when I tell you to eat well, and to cross over this mountain in good health.
May, what are you saying?
He just told
There's
you.
nothing here to eat.
It's right here in front of you, aren't I?
May, stop it! How could you even think I'd eat you?
That's not appropriate.
May, no! Stop rumbling!
It's all very
Stupid
inappropriate.
Stomach! Stop rumbling! Stop it!
Whoa.
Forgive
this is-
me! Why won't it stop?
Gabu,
This is a little sad.
It's not fair! Oh, May, why did we have to be born the way that we are?
I don't know, because nature's a bitch.
Gabu, listen.
As I said, nature's a bitch.
Answer me honestly, okay? That very first night when we met in the old barn, if you'd known right away that I was a goat, what would you have done?
I'd have eaten you.
Why didn't you tell him in the
It's
first
okay.
place? Oh,
Just pretend it's like that first time. Yeah?
that doesn't sound right. It don't.
But if it's a choice
Let's pretend
between
it's the
one of us
first time.
surviving or both of us starving to death, it really doesn't matter, does it? We'll never see each other ever again. We'll never
Again?
have a chance to sit and watch the moon rise together. It hurts just to think about it, May.
Just fucking carry him. It's not that far. Well, it probably isn't that far.
But you have to remember something.
Look, the blizzard stopped. You can go.
Friendship, life, everything eventually ends. But the fact that we became friends, or the time that we spent together, that will never disappear, right?
As said in almost every cliche anime ever.
I guess you're right. It just would have been nice if this had lasted a little longer. But as my friend,
That still don't
I'll
sound
honor
right.
your wish. May, I'll go outside. When I come back, I'll pretend I don't know you. Hey, a tasty goat. Look at this. Just sitting here waiting for me. Oh, what a treat.
Okay. Gavin, my friend, take care of yourself. And goodbye.
Well,
I
this
will.
ain't going
I
well.
promise. Goodbye.
Anyway,
Fast.
how's he doing? I thought he was gonna fall over for a minute there.
How could I possibly kill my best friend?
Oh, now he's your best friend. Why are you walking like that? What's he doing?
Nothing. There's not a single blade of grass growing anywhere.
Oh,
If only we could live on snow.
yeah, if only. Well, snow is water, so. Why are you walking like that? You're a wolf. Walk on all fours. Uh-oh. Something about to go down. Oh boy. We come down to the final countdown. Yeah, I just made that reference. So, what's gonna happen? We gotta eat May, or is something else about to happen? Either way, let's move on to the last part and see what happens. See you guys then.